Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Congress will sweep Haryana, says Ashok Gehlot. Congress storm is braving across Haryana, said senior Congress leader, former Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. He said Congress will set a new victory record in a special interview to the Delhi Guardian. Gehlot, who was appointed party observer for Haryana election, said Rahul Gandhi's initiative to open Mohabbat Ki Dukaan is affecting a change across the country and its impact is now evident in Haryana following the Lok Sabha elections. He credits Rahul's resolution along with the strategies of National President Mallikarjun Kharge and senior leader Priyanka Gandhi for the likely change in parties' fortunes, stressing that the Congress is contesting elections united. Gehlot said the public is fed up with the 10 years of BJP rule. The public will answer the negative propaganda that BJP is doing about the party's senior leader Silja on the day of voting. Selja herself has answered that BJP should not spread confusion. Gehlot said in Congress no one is mad. CM fees in advance. The central leadership of the party approves the decision taken in the meeting of the legislative party after the elections. Experts from the interview excerpts as a senior observer of Haryana election. What is your assessment? Based on my observations, it seems quite clear that the BJP is going to face a crushing defeat in Haryana. I believe they are likely to experience a sustainable, substantial defeat in the upcoming elections. Many people in the state are frustrated with what they have seen in 10 years of misrule under BJP leadership and have decided to support Congress regardless of the propaganda efforts the BJP may employ. I don't think they will be able to influence or sway the public opinion. Both former Chief Minister Manohar Lal and current Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini seem unable to connect with the voters who appear determined to not to be misled any longer. On what basis are you saying that Congress will win? See the resolution taken by our leader Rahul Gandhi to open Mohabbat Ki Dukaan during the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Its effect was visible in the Lok Sabha elections. People have regained faith in Congress. The same effect is now visible in Haryana as well. Rahul's resolution to open Mohabbat Ki Dukaan is also going to play a big role in the victory of Congress. People have now started giving more importance to brotherhood than the divisive politics of BJP. You will see that every section of Haryana is unhappy with BJP's rule. Take the farmers for example. For the first time in independent India, they sat under the open sky during harsh winter rain and summer. Tragically, hundreds lost their lives, yet the Modi government showed indifference. To make matters worse, farmers were denied entry into the capital to voice their demands. This level of disregard has deeply affected the agricultural community and has contributed to their growing frustration with the current government. In such a situation, you tell why the farmer will vote for BJP. Farmers have also expressed their displeasure in the Lok Sabha elections. Now talk about wrestler daughters. In my political life of more than 45 years, I don't remember that the country's farmers were not allowed to enter the capital. This kind of misbehavior happened with a woman wrestler on the streets of the capital. Women have not forgotten this insult. The youth who want to join the army are angry with the Agniveer scheme. The common man is angry with the unemployment, inflation, corruption, and the ruined law and order. The public has seen the rule of Congress, so the public has already made up its mind to mark Congress win now. No matter how many parties contest the election, or nothing is going to happen. It seems Congress is dealing with infighting instead of focusing on elections. Selja has kept a distance from campaigning. Randeep Surjewala is limited to campaigning for his son. BJP is making offers to angry leaders of AAP. Look, there is no fight within Congress. This is a theory created by media and BJP. The party is fighting the election collectively. You will soon see many big leaders like Selja and Randeep Singh Surjewala campaigning for the elections. The BJP finds itself in a position similar to a frustrated cat scratching a pillar, knowing they are unlikely to succeed. They attempt to create doubt about Congress. Selja is a senior and strong leader of Congress. Selja herself has given a benefiting reply to BJP that she is a Congress person and will remain a Congress person. She is not going anywhere. I would say to BJP people that now the days are over. The politics of sabotage is not going to work in Haryana. The public will give the answer on the day of voting. I would especially like to tell former CM Manohar Lal Sahab that he should think more about himself than our leader Selja about what will happen to his party after 8 October. However, during ticket distribution, it became evident that more supporters of former Chief Minister Bhupendra Singh Hooda were given the tickets. There are also claimed that he may become the Chief Minister again, which has led to dissatisfaction among other leaders. What are your thoughts on this? I have already said that the media and BJP talk according to their own will. Then there is a discussion on it. I will tell you how tickets are given in Congress. Names comes from the state. A proper survey of the winner is conducted. Then the scrutiny committee considers them many times. Two strong contenders come for one seat. Then the central election committee considers in that the winner is given a chance. There is no point in giving ticket to one person. Those who were going to win are given tickets. Our party or any leader has never said that more tickets were given to the supporters of so and so. You people decide whether everything. As far as the question of the chief minister is concerned, in our party the winning MLAs and central leadership decide who will be the chief minister. In the central leadership, former Congress President Sonia Gandhi, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, National President Mallikarjun Kharge, and Priyanka Gandhi etc. take the decision together. As far as Bhupendra Singh Hooda is concerned, he is the leader of opposition in the assembly at the time of election. The role of state president Uday Bhan and leader of opposition becomes important. The role of the leader of the AAP becomes important. Thank you guys for